Looking for an efficient and budget-friendly way to take your small business marketing to the next level? Mailchimp might just be the perfect tool for you. Stick with me for the next few minutes as I show you how you can use Mailchimp for small business marketing and why this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Now, before we dive into the details, let me mention that you can start using Mailchimp completely for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got exclusive bonuses for you, so be sure to check that out after watching. Let's get started. First thing, Mailchimp is a comprehensive email marketing platform that helps you not only create beautiful emails, but also automate your campaigns. This means you can save time and focus on growing your business while Mailchimp does the heavy lifting. Whether you want to send out a monthly newsletter, launch a product, or send personalized offers, Mailchimp allows you to do it all. Next thing, Mailchimp's easy-to-use interface is a huge advantage for small business owners. You don't need to be a tech expert to start creating professional email campaigns. Its drag-and-drop email builder is simple but powerful, letting you design emails that capture your audience's attention without needing a design degree. Even if you're new to email marketing, it won't take long before you're creating stunning emails that drive results. The third thing I want to highlight is Mailchimp's powerful analytics. As a small business, it's critical to understand how your campaigns are performing. Mailchimp provides detailed insights into how your emails are doing, open rates, click-through rates, and much more. This data is invaluable for refining your marketing strategy and making sure you're not just reaching your customers, but also engaging with them effectively. Next, let's talk about automation. Mailchimp allows you to set up automated workflows, which means that when someone subscribes to your list or makes a purchase, they can be sent personalized emails at the right time, all without lifting a finger. For example, you can set up an automation to send a welcome email when someone joins your list or follow up with a discount for their next purchase. Another great feature is Mailchimp segmentation options. You can easily divide your email list into specific groups based on factors like past purchases or engagement. This lets you send highly targeted messages to your audience, making your marketing efforts more personalized and effective. The more tailored your emails, the more likely your audience will respond. The fifth thing is integrations. Mailchimp seamlessly integrates with a ton of platforms and tools that you might already be using for your business, Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, and more. These integrations help you sync your data across platforms and create more efficient workflows, making everything run smoother. And here's something you'll want to stick around for. If you're someone who's not yet ready to dive into paid features, Mailchimp offers a completely free plan that allows you to get started with email marketing without spending a dime. This makes it a fantastic option for small businesses just getting off the ground. But stay tuned because at the end, I'll share how you can access an exclusive and extended free trial of Mailchimp that'll give you access to even more features. Lastly, Mailchimp is not just for email marketing. It also offers additional features like social media ads, landing pages, and even postcards. So, whether you're looking to send out an email, run ads on Facebook, or design a landing page, Mailchimp has you covered. It's all about having everything in one place, making it easy for you to manage your marketing efforts without hopping between multiple platforms. Remember, if you want to start using Mailchimp for free today and get access to our exclusive bonuses, be sure to click the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the chance to try this tool at no cost and level up your small business marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video gave you a clearer picture of how Mailchimp can help you grow your business. Don't forget, the link for the extended free trial is below. Enjoy!